So we have light. It's so cool. So cool. Hi, Sherelle here. I'm here to demonstrate and give my review, my feedback on the Orbi Genius Bluetooth electric toothbrush. Right here. It connects to your Bluetooth on your phone and lets you know how you're doing with your brushing, and actually shows you like a diagram of the mouth, and it pretty much guides you and lets you know like what areas you need to go back on, go back over. It has a phone holder, so it suctions to the mirror. I'm actually using it right now to record this video. As a hygienist, I want to try it out for myself. I want to make sure that we're using stuff for the right reasons. We want to make sure that it is benefiting us, okay, not just entertaining us. What's the whole point of electric toothbrushes? They help keep the bacteria in our mouth down. It makes our job easier, and they help stimulate our gum, because we all been told to brush your teeth. We know that, but we also want to focus on our gums, stimulating the gums, getting the blood circulating, and helping reduce the inflammation. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 different modes. That's the first mode. That's the second. That's the third. And that's the fourth. The fourth one sounds like a race car. I think that's so cool. 3 toothbrush heads: Orbi Floss Action Head, the Orbi Cross Action Head, and the Orbi Sensitive Brush Head. Alright, so I'm going to check it out. It lights up. Oh, it kind of hurt my gums. I like that it lights up. But I have to say, this hurts my gums. I'm sorry, Orbi. That's very powerful. It's actually... that kind of hurt my gums there, so let's try the next mode. Oh yeah, that hurts, y'all. That hurts. I'm sorry, Orbi. What's going on? The oscillating floss action head. It would be cool if the floss action head actually got more in between the teeth. So now let's try the cross action head. And let's go back to the first mode. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. That's too much. It's a little better. This thing is very powerful. I'm sorry. My concern, we don't want to blast off our enamel. We got to protect our enamel, and we have to protect our gums. I have to say, Orbi, I'm sorry, but it's too abrasive. It could be that I'm just used to the electric toothbrush that I use. So, alright, so we're going to try the sensitive head. It says it's supposed to be gentle on the teeth and gum. Okay. Yeah, this is better. It's better. That's on that highest mode. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. The next mode. I love that. That's cool. So the sensitive head is better. The sensitive brush head is better. If you were to choose this, I recommend the sensitive brush head. So that's it for now. That's my review on the Orbi Genius electric toothbrush. I still stand by the burst toothbrush, because it is powerful, yet it does not blast off your enamel or damage the gums, okay? We want to keep our gums in their original position, because our gums cover the root of our teeth. So if the root of our teeth are exposed, it's going to cause sensitivity, and then we also lose support for our teeth. If you want more tips on how to have better oral hygiene, and a secret that you probably have not heard of, so if you notice you get like a lot of yellow hard buildup on your teeth, there's a secret that I would like to share with you. I am so thankful for the person that shared it with me, and so you can click the link below to get that tip. Thank you, Orbi. Now I have a phone holder to place on my mirror. That's one good thing you get from the Orbi Genius electric toothbrush. That's it for now. Take care.